So we're out here today combining oats. As you can see, this stuff we did yesterday, and up here started today with. Honestly, the straw don't seem too bad. We planted a taller variety up here because the ground's not as good. So taller variety helps. At home we plant a shorter one because the oats are too tall. They're gonna be flat, like everything's flat. We got a few down spots, but nothing bad. So here's the oat crop. Pretty clean this year. Underseeded with alfalfa here. Like there's a down spot, but it's not like super flat. Like you can easily pick it up with the combine. There's a difference. I guess you could call it laid over. It's not flat. There's a difference there, but decent windrow. In our next video, I'll be coming through with the disc bine and cutting these stubbles real low. But yeah, it is a warm day here. We got equipment here ready to go, wagons, but yeah, so basically the oats at home, I don't know about here, doing 35.5 test weight at 13.5 moisture. You want 14 and below for moisture, and you want 30 and above for test weight, and we're in both of them. And today's a more sunny day than that. Otherwise, the oat crop's pretty good this year. I think at home we did about right at 100 bushel an acre. I don't know if this is doing as good, but I definitely think we got more straw here. Like, that's a decent windrow. But, of course, it'll shrink down a little bit. Anyway, let's get this drove up in the air. You can see this combine in action. Well, I'm running the combine now, trying to get this last field done here. Yeah, I don't know if we'll get it done. It's about 6:30, and it usually starts getting tough around 7:30. I'm doing the long rows first, get the majority done here. I probably won't mow the stubbles here tomorrow. I think Dad will do it in the morning, because you can't really get combine until 12, 1 o'clock. Oats are like beans, I guess. They can get tough early and then stay tough late in the morning. Like, depends on the weather, how much dew we get, how much wind. But yeah, it's doing good. Really, I mean, it is. This one we're gonna round bale because of some, I wouldn't say steep, but it's steeper stuff. But main thing is the rows aren't as long as the other one for small square baling. They just don't make any time turning a baler with a wagon behind you around all the time. It's just easier to whip a round baler around. But cruising right along at 3.6 mile an hour here. Got the grain sample out cleaning the other day. I mean, it's real nice. I shut the top chaffer and extension down quite a ways. It's a lot cleaner. Like, I could throw that in the grain drill, seed it tomorrow. It's that clean. So not this field, but the other one we were doing. If I could drive. The test weight on that was 38, and the moisture was 12 and a half, which is really good, actually. I mean, it yielded pretty good too. Like they say, dry year, oats usually yield pretty good, and that's ringing true again here. They might not have the height, but the yield, seed yield, is pretty decent. Good test weight. Everybody said test weight ain't gonna be good this year. There's nothing in the halls, nothing up there, just empty. Well, people who said that were kind of wrong. Like, maybe theirs, but not ours. I mean, maybe they had less rain. I don't know. We didn't really have much, so I don't know. Just a little bit here left. It's starting to get tough, but we're just gonna send it. Like, the hulls, they're still flying, but they ain't flying too great. It's not, I guess it is. It's starting to mountain up in the grain tank a little, but that's literally all I got left. Like, a couple more passes. It takes longer to turn around to get it than actually combine it, but we'll get her done here. Here we are, the final pass. There, we're done with our oats for the year. Cut the head off, let the combine run out. So we didn't have that many oats this year. Let's see. This says we got 43.2 acres, but that first field we did, I forgot to reset that. So we're probably talking 46, 47 acres, which is not that much for us. Just the way the rotation went and what we had last year. Just worked out that way. But still, it's a decent amount. I remember a while ago we used to have like 100 acres or 130. But not anymore. I don't really need that much. But done with our oats. We got a little bit of others too, but yeah, not bad. go up here, unload, and call her a day. Done for oats. Let's see, let's get this camera. Oh, the auger. We're way too far away. Got some damn straw in there. Just when I was talking good about it, it started doing bad. Whatever.